to go. Right now, though, I want to talk to you about Liquor Depot. You heard the ad, and we got George there in the Mile Plaza right next to Brookshire Brother and Liquor Depot, and he's got walls and walls of liquor, wine, spirits, the whole beer and spirits, the whole works. And what I wanted to talk to you today, this week's special drink, because we're coming out on Thanksgiving, is going to be the Cranberry Moscow Mule. Now, I'm going to show in the video here a picture of what that looks like. This is a very pretty drink if you set it up this way. And they usually come in a copper cup, okay? That's one of the signature aspects of a Moscow Mule. But you could put it in a glass, a rocks glass or something like that. But in this particular one, it's going to look pretty the way it's drawn up, put together. And let me give to you now what the ingredients of a Cranberry Moscow Mule are. The ingredients is going to be 2 shots of vodka, 8 ounces of ginger beer, ½ cup cranberry juice, 2 limes, a bag of cranberries, and ice cubes. And the steps to make this gorgeous looking drink: you're going to drop a handful of ice into your Moscow Mule glass or copper cup, add vodka, ginger beer, and top with cranberry juice. You're going to cut the lime in half and squeeze both halves into the drink mixture, and then top with a handful of cranberries and garnish with a slice of lime. And once again, it's going to look like this. So if you want to set up a really nice table and you're offering drinks like this would be pretty cool garnishing if you ask me. It looks more pretty than, you can't really see anything in the cup other than the pretty lime and the cranberries in the copper cup, but there's a nice mixture of alcohol and juice in there to make a very nice drink. Okay, so check it out. But there's another thing too. I was talking with George, and we were looking at this Belvedere ginger vest. And let me tell you what that is all about real quick, and I'll explain why I'm bringing it up. It's the newest addition to the Belvedere portfolio. It's all natural ingredients, including Polish rye, ginger, Primavera lemon, and grapefruit. And it gives Belvedere Ginger Vest a flavor profile that is clean, fresh, and superior to other flavored vodkas. There's no sugar added, no additives, no artificial flavor, made with only real fruits. And the result is a delicious flavor of ginger spice balanced with zesty citrus for cocktails with a little kick. It's 80% proof vodka. And the reason I'm bringing that up is because in the Moscow Mule, one of the ingredients is ginger beer. And first of all, here's the Belvedere ginger zest. I'm showing it in the video. And then you actually have the ingredient ginger beer that goes into the Moscow Mule. So if you didn't want to put the ginger beer, you could get the vodka with the ginger flavor. And let me read a little bit about what ginger beer is. This is kind of interesting. You know, I make the drinks, but sometimes I don't really study the history of it. Ginger beer is a soft drink made by fermenting water, sugar, and ginger, and then turning it bubbly with a tangy and sweet twist. Although the name is similar to ginger ale, it's a bit different. Ginger ale is much sweeter than ginger beer, and ginger beer has a stronger taste and is not as bubbly as ginger ale. Contrary to its name, ginger beer isn't alcohol, even though its origins point to it being an alcoholic drink. In the 1800s, ginger beer was commonly enjoyed in England with an alcohol content of around 11%. However, the modern day ginger beer doesn't carry that same punch. Today's ginger beer has no more than 0.5% alcohol, classifying it as an alcohol-free beverage. So no, it's not ginger-flavored beer, but rather its own unique drink, okay? The other ingredient to that drink is the vodka. And we're looking here at Grey Goose vodka, and George has got all this at his shop there, Liquor Depot, right next to the Brookshire Brothers in the Mile Plaza. And Grey Goose is like a premium alcohol. And I want to read to you just a very quick snippet on this. It's a brand of vodka produced in France. It was created in the 1990s by Sidney Frank, who sold it in 2004 to Bacardi. Its volume, alcohol volume, is 40%. It's 80 proof, and manufactured Bacardi, brought here to the States in 97. Okay, so you have these 3 different ingredients you can put in your Moscow Mule, and I highly recommend it. It's real pretty. It's a good drink. You may like, you may not, depending on the ginger beer aspect of it. Some people like ginger beer, some people don't. But you can get anything you want when it comes to beer, wine, and spirits. Go to Liquor Depot in the Mile Plaza right next to Brookshire Brothers. So tell George you heard it here. All right.